Today is the first day of long
holiday
for them. But mommy and daddy are still going to school, but the kids are
happy.
Happy. Okay. So,
Ate, you are done? Grade 2.
Grade 2. And Fei Fei is done with her
Anuban song.
So,
Kinder 2.
Yes, Kinder 2. And Ate will be grade 3 next term, and Fei Fei will be
K3.
K3 or kindergarten 3 next term.
Yay!
When's my birthday?
Let's celebrate with
KFC! KFC, baka naman.
They're looking good.
Okay, let's open up and let's start our... So what do we have here?
Let's
We
open the
have-
big chicken.
Let's open it. Wow.
we have here.
We have some chicken.
We have some
Chicken nuggets. Yummy.
nuggets also here. And then some chicken pops.
Chicken pop.
Chicken pops.
Mm.
And chicken. Yum yum yum.
Spicy chicken. City
And
pop.
they're yummy and their favorite
Mashed potato.
Yay.
always.
Oh, this is
KFC is not a KFC if there is no mashed,
Mashed
potato.
potato for them.
And fried chicken is not a fried chicken from KFC if there is no mashed potato.
This for mommy and daddy.
What's so big?
Because we are two. Okay, let's see.
And daddy is big.
Ew. And mommy's big.
So we have nuggets for kids.
Is that spicy?
At daddy's favorite is wingstop.
Spicy.
Spicy one.
Spicy chicken.
Where's my rice?
Daddy.
My rice. Rice, please.
Papa rice.
And we have some. You can buy the chicken
So
burger.
instead of going out
And there's no more
today,
burger.
because mommy and daddy are busy doing our grades for the students, so we just decided to
Order.
stay at home and order by lineman.
Hi, Mom.
Let's
Here's
eat.
the lemon.
Opo. Wow.
One rice. That's too little.
Do we still have my
No. Yung gamit ko na.
Wow, 2 nuggets for
Nom
me.
nom.
Walang original. Wala silang original.
Wala. Okay lang.
3. I love you. I love you. Okay.
I-L-P.
I-L-Y. I-L-U. I-L-Y. That?
No, you, because it's you now. I love you.
Okay, you.
You, mommy, you.
Opo, you, me. Let's eat. You still like subo?
No, just
Ano yun?
mashed potato.
More rice?
Are you looking at me? Look.
What do you want?
Drink.
What drink?
In the fridge.
What is it?
Any drink. Let's see. Come on.
It's not there.
What's this? Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
No.
Coca-Cola, baka naman.
Finger licking good. I mean,
Ay,
finger
it's a yogurt drink, anak. Aman? Okay. You can have that.
I don't want it. It's a baby
It's
drink.
not very cold yet, anak.
I like that same. Let's see how it goes. Under the... Look at the water! Flowing, flowing. I don't know what happened to the water. What happened to the water? water under the sea, ate.
Yeah, put it.
What happened to the water under the sea? Oh. It's so...
Sarap ng kinakamay.
That's why it's finger licking good.
No, that's not my mine.
This is yours, sweetie.
Mommy.
Ay, shy. Sorry. That's
big
my
one.
favorite.
Akala ko ba
Which one?
lunch?
Which one?
Which part is this? Which part of the chicken is your favorite, ate?
Which one?
Inside? No, I mean the legs, the breast.
Nuggets.
I'm trying to put it down.
Kimbap?
Trying to put it down.
Wala. Wala.
Kamay. Kamay. Kasi ko, ano ako ngayon?
I'm just confused.
Fasting. Ano makaka-fasting dito?
No.
Bukas na ulit ang fasting. Tapos bukas, fasting ulit. Tapos, din bukas, fasting ulit.
Fasting.
Won't eat for a long time.
Iwan?
What is for a long time? What does it mean?
Fasting.
We might eat breakfast and lunch.
No. I don't want to.
Ay, what happened?
But I can't.
Where? Why? Where are we going? So what do you like to do in your long holiday? Let's talk about your routine. So they have a routine.
No, don't.
You set up a routine. Yes, we have to follow the routine. In the morning, what time you can wake up? 8 to 8:30. And then after that, breakfast.
No. Before you leave,
Before you leave the room, what do you have to do, anak?
Fold the blankets.
Yes, fold the blankets. Then, Pepe, what else? And clean up the room. After cleaning up, what do you have to do, ate? Pepe? Go to toilet to wash
And?
up. Gusto ba? What time can you watch TV?
10:30.
Until 12. Or until 12:30. Then after that, lunch.
lunch.
Like this.
After lunch, what do we have to do? Clean up.
Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. I'm gonna wash the dishes. This morning, Ate washed the dishes and Pepe. How about for lunch?
Daddy.
Daddy. Mommy in the dinner.
And last time I had to ride her old bike. And I ride her bike. That's so funny.
Yeah. What time do you gonna sleep? Do you sleep?
I don't know.
No. If you sleep in the afternoon, you always go sleep until 10 to 10:30. But if you didn't sleep, you have to sleep at 9 o'clock.
It's so early.
So what do you like? Sleep in the afternoon
When
or
are we
not?
gonna sleep?
Hmm?
When are we gonna sleep?
In the room.
When I said
At 2 to 2:30. And then, you can play your tablet before sleeping.
My playing alone like this.
In the room. 2 o'clock.
Because there's aircon.
2 o'clock, you go to the bed. And
Aww.
then 2:30, you can sleep now.
Yay!
Until 3:30 to 4, you can sleep. 1.5 hour of siesta.
Later. Yummy.
And then in the
All-time favorite.
afternoon, what are we going to do? After waking up, what do you have to do? Have some snacks, milk.
Like when I'm in school.
Yes. What else? And then
Watch TV.
go out, watch TV. I know. About 5:30, we can go out there and play.
And ride the bike.
Ride the bicycle
And
again.
then go inside again
Then go inside again.
because mommy and daddy will go to school.
Yeah. Sign out.
That's so easy.
Are you happy having a long holiday?
Yeah. I'm very, very tired with so we have Pak Noi.
Nói bỏ.ไม่น้อยเลยพักนาน
Oh, they have original.
Got it. The first one. The white.
Original.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's it. Hope you feel hungry as well. See you next time. Support
My channel.
our channel.
Hello.
Bye bye everyone. See you next time.
Bye.